They always tell you they love you no matter what. That looks don't matter. Lies. Beauty. Every man's desire, and they're doomed. They always fall for it. Seductress they call me. A beast. They can never accept the real me once they see what I am. They always cower in fear. All their sweet promises perished. They can't accept real beauty that stands before them. They can't see that I'm drop dead gorgeous.
Hey guys, this is my video for the Drop Dead Gorgeous Challenge for Face Awards Singapore. Here's Succubus, the Seductress. I've already put on my DIY bulb cap. I've also made some prosthetic horns using thermoplastic and latex, and I'm applying it onto my head using Suede, which is an adhesive that is safe for your skin. Next, I dabbed some castor sealer on the surface of my bulb cap to prepare it for the application of cream makeup so that there's no discoloration. I prime my face using NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Then I combine NYX Vivd Bright's cream color in Rebellious Edge and the Total Control Dot Foundation in the shade Pale using a spatula to create my own colored foundation, and it totally worked. Game changer, guys! I applied the purple foundation using the Precision Blending Sponge all over my head. Using the NYX primer colors in Hot Black and Hot Red, I added some shading to the horns to give it more depth. The next step is to set the foundation using NYX HD Studio Finishing Powder. I used a black eyeliner to sketch in some details that I want for my Succubus. Since she's purple, I figured blue would be a perfect contour color, so I used NYX primer colors in Hot Blue to add shadows around my face. While contouring, I finally decided what to do with my eyebrows, so I blocked half of it using a glue stick and concealed it using the same purple foundation. Next, I applied the NYX primer colors in Hot Pink all over my lid and under eye. Using a black face paint, I drew my angry eyebrows just to give my Succubus a more intense look. I continued deepening the contour around my nose and eyes using the same primer colors. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean is perfect to fill in areas around my eyeliner that I want to be pitch black to give it a more hollow effect. You'll see what I mean later. I also added two lines at the inner corner of my eyebrows to give it a more intense expression without having to frown. Using all the same primer colors, I added more shadings around different areas and features to give it more depth so it doesn't look flat and boring. The next step is to add some spots in the inner area of my eyes using NYX Strictly Vinyl Eyeliner in Creme. Time for the lips! I use a pinkish violet lip liner on the outer corners of my lips and blend it in the center using NYX Liquid Suede Lip Cream in Amethyst. Next, I prepared my prosthetic ears. I painted it so that it will match my foundation and then attach it using Suede. I've also linked my video in the description box on how you can make your own prosthetic ears. I used the same primer color to add some shadows to my ears to match my contour so that it will match and look realistic. Now it's time for my DIY mohawk. I created this hairpiece using pipe cleaners from the craft store. I used the same foundation to pin my hands so that it will match my face. To add highlights and enhance the hollow effect around my eyes, I use NYX White Liquid Liner. Prior to this, I used some thermoplastic to mold claws for my nails. I used NYX Primal colors in hot black to set my hollowed out eyes and keep it matte. Lastly, using the Love You So Mochi palette, I added some popping highlights to my Succubus. And we're done! Unconventional beauty, because even this seductress can be drop dead gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial, guys. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to vote for me using the link in my description box below. It's 100% voting and I really can't do this without all your help. Please vote for me and put me in the finals, guys. I would really appreciate it. Also, follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye guys!